gate, smash the gate. That was the
There's
same.
on this guard inside. Yeah, one of the
D-tank smash
D-tanks
the gate.
can...
D-tank smash the gate. D-tank smash the gate, please. Yo, be ready to heal me in the front, guys. Do not forget. Okay?
Have we got any healers anywhere? What the hell? Why
Heal
aren't
to the
they?
front, heal
Why
to the
aren't
front, heal to
Yeah,
the front.
lying.
Everybody get ready. Look, Emily already died.
I forget about the gate part.
I told you guys, be careful. Only D-tanks in the front.
Careful of the glacial. Glacial, get away from the glacial.
D-tanks only in the front, please. Smash.
Bro, where's allies? Where is allies?
They're smashing from other side. It's okay. You need to raise the banner as well. Did you raise the banner? You need to raise the banner to smash it. Because like I'm also smashing it. So you want me to come with you, or you can destroy the gate? Because they're focusing on me right now. So I'm trying to smash the gate.
They're looking. They're looking.
Here.
They still have engaged.
Guys,
Guys,
Fred,
let's
you are clumped.
Heels in the front, heels in the front, heels in the front, heels in the front, heels in the front. Get ready,
Counter.
count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter on the crown now, counter on the crown now, counter the crown now. Give me this kill, give me this one kill. And be ready to Resi. Okay, no bomb, no bomb. Kidnap this guy, please. Kidnap this guy after this clarity. Kidnap this guy now. Kidnap this guy now, kidnap this guy. You don't know how to go back, Kill this guy. Spread now. They might bomb, spread. One guy watch the bomb. They're coming out. Listen, they're full pushing me. I need heals, I need help here. Everybody get ready. Counter in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Hit the crown. Guys. Oh my god. Two of my guys died behind. Tofu re-gear first.
No, it's
Heal.
I have so many rats here, bro. You need to come with me.
Don't stand on the glacial, guys. Look.
No side, no west side of the
There is
AC
last
bomb in northwest of the.
Help the front. Everybody counter in 5, 4, 3, and 2. And on the crown. Hit the crown. Give me this kill, please. Resi now. That bomb. Watch out of. They have a glacial, okay? Be careful from the glacial. Pika, bro. What you doing?
Shadow, try to clear northwest, man. There are so many rats.
They're pressing our healers.
Yeah.
Oh my god, what the fuck? So many people died. Everybody look on the gate, get ready 5, get ready 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now, hit the gate. And come back. Come back.
Yeah, those rats are trying to take out our healers.
Re-gear first. I lost 3-4 people out every re-gearing again.
Shadow is
coming out?
Inba you're not.
They're coming out. Invites
Boys,
now.
no.
No, right?
You can smash
No.
this door. D-tanks. You need to smash this door, boys.
Inba this mountain and northwest of the.
They're engaging front. Help the front. Everybody get ready. Count on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate now. Give me this kill, man. Kill this guy, please. Nice. Now the spread. We kill one. Spread. Kidnap this guy. Look at this guy on me. Kidnap him.
Nobody's smashing him, bro. What the fuck?
You guys are using hammers. Bell, where is your hammer? Open, Bell. Dream.
Yo, keep guard rune on Shadow, passive.
They're
Keep guard
coming
runes.
again. They're coming again. Everybody can in the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. It's massive. Drop silence here. Kill this guy inside. Look at this guy low. Super low. Can we kill this guy who's super low? And spread now. You re-gear fast, please. Tofu, I need you, bro. I don't have damage. They're hitting the front. That's fake. They're coming. Spread more, guys. Okay, spread more. Be careful, boys. Okay. They're coming out. They're inching up again. Be careful. Spread more, spread more. Look at this guy here. They're coming out. Spread now. They're coming. They're coming.
It's
They're
a
coming.
fake. It's a fake. It's a fake.
No, no, no. It's not fake. Everybody on the gate in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2 on the gate now. Kill this tank from the gate. Kill this tank from the gate. Can we get this one kill? Damage, boys. Damage. Come here, please. D-tank, smash this gate. D-tank, smash this gate. Smash this gate. D-tank, please hold this gate when they're coming out, okay? They're coming again. Spread now, spread now, spread now. Everybody counter gate in 5, 3, in 2. On the gate now, on the gate now, on the gate now. It's okay. Heals in the front, please. Heals in the front, please. If any guy comes outside, like the gate, this gate is almost broken, okay? This gate is almost broken.
The last chance is holding.
Guys, be ready to push. I'm gonna full push inside them, okay? After I break the gate. I will soak one engage before pushing, okay? I will soak one engage before
So
pushing.
look at this guy inside.
They're coming.
That's fake, that's fake, that's fake. They're engaging now, help the front. Keep smashing the door, keep smashing the door. Smash this door, smash this door, smash this door. D-tank, smash this door.
Don't hit the Shintan guy.
I don't know hit Chintan. Just smash the door. Gate is 50% now, okay? Look over the wall, get ready 5, get ready 4, get ready 3, 2, 1 on this guy over the wall, on this guy over the wall. Give me this kill. Nice, bro. Now spread now, spread now.
They're looking.
Spread. That was fake. They still have engaged. They're coming now. Care.
I don't know what it is. I'm going.
My banner is 23. They're coming out. Care. They're engaging the front. Smash the door. Almost
Okay,
broken.
so now
It is
the
almost
D-tank
broken. I'm
is
gonna
back.
full push. Okay, I'm gonna full push after that. D-tanks, get ready to full push. Everybody get ready 5. Walk in. Defend first. Get ready 5. Get ready 4. In 3, 2, on the crown. It's fucking mess. I engage. They have no defensive. Go back now. Heals in the front and go back. Razi put in the front and go back.
Help our healers in back.
I need heals. I'm gonna die, bro. Everybody get ready. On the crown, get ready 5. Get ready 4. Look on the choke. In 3, in 2, in 1. On the choke now. Hit the choke. And go back. Yo, re-gear fast. People who died, re-gear fast. They have to engage this. Okay, walk in. We broke the wall. Walk in. Everybody walk in. Keep walking in. Everybody look. Defend now. Holy. Everybody get ready 5, get ready 4, get ready 3, get ready 2 on the crown. And give me full heals. I need heals. I'm gonna die otherwise. Heals on the crown. What was the glacial? You guys standing in the glacial. Pika. Look at this guy dying to glacial. Can I get heals on the ground? Defend the front. Everybody get ready. Counter 5. Get ready 4. In 3, 2. On the crown. Massive boys. Massive. Kill this one guy at least, bro. Nice. Now go back, Valerian. Good kill, Valerian. Good kill. Dodge the glacial.
Can you give me some heals, please? I'm marked.
Get heals. I need to raise an ACPS. Can you raise banner? ACPS, give me banner if you have. Can you bring a banner to me? Bring me a T8 banner first. Dodge the glacier. Kill this mage on the ground. Everybody get ready. 5 seconds. Defend now. Defend now. Defend now. Defend now. Defend now. Everybody get ready. Counter 5. Pull deep in 4, in 3, in 2. On the crown. On the crown. On the fucking massive. Fucking massive. Fucking massive. Nice. Nice. We killed a bunch, bro. We killed a bunch. We killed a bunch. We killed a bunch. Bomb. 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 Glacial. 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 Sika. Sika. Sika.
Heal.
Heals on the front. Heals on the front. Heals on the front. Heals on the front. Sika, what are you doing? Dying to glacial, bro. Spread here, spread here, spread here, spread here, spread here. Spread here, that's fake, that's fake. Why wasting on the ring? Hold, hold. We're gonna play counter soon. Defend now, full defend now, full defend now, full defend now. Get ready 5, get ready 4, 3, 2, on the crown, on the crown, on the crown, on the crown. Massive boys, massive, massive. Okay, they got clarity. It's okay. Kidnap this guy. Try to kidnap this guy. Try to kidnap this guy. Try to kidnap this guy. Nice, nice. Everybody walk southwest. Everybody walk southwest. Walk southwest.
Asano, Imba coming
I know.
behind you.
Imba southwest of Terry Shadow.
Oh my god.
In the back. I know, I know. Everybody look south in 5. Get ready 4. In 3. In 2. On the crown. 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 And keep walking. Walk west. Walk west. Walk west. Walk west. Walk west. Everybody walk west. Everybody walk west. We need to stabilize. We need to stabilize, bro. Yeah, we need to re-gear first. We need to re-gear first. Okay, everybody look northeast. Stay here. Stay with the crown. Stay with the crown. Open, come here. Open, come to me. Open, come to me.
Be careful, these rats are coming.
Where are you, bro? Where are you right now? Like you're with me, right? Hey,
Fucking blazing bomb. So many rats.
I'm just waiting for my gear. I stay with the crown. Open, come to me. Maybe come here. Maybe come here. Help the front, help the front, help the front. Maybe everybody look down, look northeast. Get ready. 5, 4, and 3, and 2. On the crown, on the crown, on the crown. Now, massive balls, massive clap, and go back and go back, go back, go back, go back, go back after that. Go back after that.
Fuck, I almost died.
Defend the front.
Imba coming, Imba coming, Imba.
No. Everybody look east now. Walk east, walk east. I'm gonna full push Imba now. Everybody look east. Everybody east. I'm pushing east. Okay, I'm pushing east. I'm pushing east. Everybody get ready. 5 on me, boys. Come to me. Get ready. 4. Walk in. Shoes now. Get ready. 3. Get ready. 2. Get ready. On the crown. On the crown. It's full Imba. It's full Imba party here. Full push, bro. Full push southeast, bro. Full push southeast. Okay, we need to get out.
Jay is behind Shadow.
Maseo's got bomb in the back.
Imba coming. Defend.
South doesn't stabilize. South doesn't stabilize. Everybody out and stabilize.
Nice.
Everybody out and stabilize.
Heals.
We need to get out and stabilize first, bro. Bro, we're getting 1v2.
Please, man.
So difficult. No D-tanks watching our flanks, man.
Don't even push.
Yeah, we don't have our D-tanks watching the like back or anything. Like, what are the tanks are doing, bro? Seriously.
What the fuck? We have. Oh my god, we all are dead.
Yeah, can't do 1v2, bro. We need to bring candy, bro. Like, 1v2 situation very difficult. Bro.